हेलो ভিউয়ার্স প্ৰিয় শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল আজি মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছো এটা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ very important essay flood in Assam অসমৰ বানপানী এটো মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাৰ বাবে অতি দৰকাৰী মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাৰ উপৰিও এটো ক্লাস 7 8 9 নত দেখা যায় গতিকে সোয়াজি flood in Assam introduction পরিচয় when water of river flows over the plain is called flood. Flood is a burning problem of Assam. The flood is a natural disaster. It is the worst victim of repeated flood every year in Assam. Next one, why flood occurs? Flood kyo hoy or reason of flood. Banpanir karon. It is caused by excessive flow river during rainy season. Heavy rain in the mountain and hill also cause the flood. Next is its effect. ইয়াৰ ক্ষতিকৰ প্ৰভাৱ The damage caused by flood is beyond estimation. The flood damages standing crops, properties, houses and also kills many lives of animals and men. Relief measures সাহায্যৰ পৰিমাণ During the flood, relief is very essential for people. Some relief of flood, foods, clothes, fund and further shelter are made by government and some social service or organization. Next, how the flood control. বানপানী কিনেদৰে নিয়ন্ত্ৰণ কৰিব পাৰি The only way in which flood is under control by erection of dams and embankment in the Brahmaputra and Barak Valley. The river valley project are also some of the measures undertaken on a national scale of control the flood. Conclusion Hamoruni The natural calamities are not to be finished or removed totally, but can be saved or controlled a little. So the government and the people themselves should cooperate on this regard. Thank you viewers. তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো স্ক্রিনশট মাৰি এইবিলাক লিখি লবা নাইবা পুনৰ দেখি এইবিলাক আয়ত্ত কৰিবা আৰু নোট কৰি লবা